Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a classic piece of audio gear, the ONKYO TX-8211 stereo receiver. This unit delivers a solid 50 watts per channel into 8 ohms across the full audio spectrum, from 20 to 20,000 Hz, with a low distortion figure of just 0.08% THD. That means clean, reliable power for your speakers. Right away, you notice the build quality. It features an anti-resonant aluminum front panel, which isn't just for looks. It helps minimize vibrations that can affect sound quality. Inside, ONKYO designed this with a high-current, low-impedance amplifier paired with an oversized power transformer, large filter capacitors, and a substantial heatsink. This robust internal design points to exceptional dependability and the ability to handle demanding speaker loads. On the front, you have convenient switching for 2 pairs of main speakers, labeled A and B, allowing you to easily select between them or run both simultaneously. Around the back, the connectivity is quite versatile for a stereo receiver. You'll find standard RCA inputs, including a dedicated phono input for your turntable, a must-have for vinyl enthusiasts. There's also optical audio input, a USB port, and even an HDMI port listed, which is interesting for a stereo-only unit, alongside a 3.5mm jack. It's designed primarily for connecting speakers, delivering pure stereo audio output. It also includes a digital AM and FM tuner built in, so you can tune into your favorite radio stations right out of the box. Overall, the ONKYO TX-8211 seems built to last and focused on delivering quality stereo sound with enough power and connectivity options to be the heart of a traditional audio setup, especially if you appreciate solid construction and straightforward performance. It's a receiver designed for those who prioritize dedicated 2-channel audio.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.